TGIF, everyone. It's an afternoon update here on this chilly and blustery Friday across the region. Let's get right to it. We've got a lot to talk about today. We'll flesh out the full 7-day forecast this evening on 21 News at 6, but here's a little shorter video to get you going here on this Friday. Let you know what's going on here. We've got showers around right now. Now, we've had some small hail, or what's called graupel, mixed in with some of these heavier showers today, and there could very well be some of that going on around the Poland area, and then heading over into parts of Lawrence County where you see the yellows and oranges here. That's a downpour with perhaps some graupel or small hail. Got some lighter showers around downtown now, heading up towards the Warren area. A couple of showers down south of Route 30 in Columbiana County here at 2 p.m. this afternoon. Here's the live look outside in Boardman, where it's raining, not as heavily as it was a few minutes ago, but you can see everything is kind of damp outside in Boardman this afternoon with temperatures in the lower 50s. Not much of a breeze at the weather station in Boardman, but I can tell you that walking into work in downtown Youngstown, it was blustery about 15 or 20 minutes ago. Ominous looking sky here in Niles. You can see the raindrops falling if you look carefully. Always watch these videos in HD on Facebook if you can. You can definitely see more detail. So not a great looking afternoon up in Trumbull County. And again, the wind in some of these heavier showers in particular is pretty gusty, up to 25 at the airport here over the last 10 to 15 minutes. So blustery afternoon. Temperatures on the chilly side. Kind of depends on where you are. Where we've had showers most recently, it's cooled off back into the 40s. Places that have been dry a lot of the time, such as northern and central Columbiana County, getting into the middle, if not upper 50s this afternoon. Here's our high-resolution futurecast showing us what the radar should look like for the rest of the day. If you have plans, maybe high school football or something this evening, what you see is what you get. These are going to come and go. They'll be brief, but they will visit a few more times. So a scattering of showers into this evening. So again, what you see is kind of what you get for the rest of the day today and into tonight as well. Talking about the weekend temperatures, not much has changed here as far as our thinking. Tomorrow morning is going to be cold, but there's not a frost and freeze threat tomorrow morning. We'll be down in the 30s, though, so it is going to be a chilly start to the weekend. Temperatures only making it into the 40s tomorrow afternoon. Then tomorrow night, depending on where you live, there could very well be a freeze or, at the very least, some frost. It depends on what the clouds do. I think it's more likely to be cloudy up in the northern part of our viewing area, keeping temperatures perhaps a little above freezing, a little below freezing perhaps down in the southern half of our viewing area, and perhaps the southeastern part of our viewing area, where it's more likely to be clear tomorrow night. Now, with a mostly clear sky for everyone, Sunday night into Monday morning looks pretty cold. We could see mid-20s and definitely a hard freeze throughout the viewing area for Sunday night and Monday morning. Now, the National Weather Service does have a freeze watch out for Saturday night and early Sunday in Columbiana County. We'll see if the National Weather Service in Cleveland adds any more counties to this, but certainly Saturday night, the best chance of getting a freeze will be in the south. So again, lots to talk about, lots to sort out. I'll have a complete breakdown of your forecast for the next 7 days this evening on 21 News at 6, and for the abbreviated version tonight, it's Friday night after all. Lots of high school football to cover, so my forecast will be a brief one at 11, but it will be up to date with fresh radars and everything else you need to know. In the meantime, have a great rest of this Friday afternoon.